This slow cooker holiday ham is the move. Juicy, sweet, savory, glazed like it's dressed for a fancy party, and you barely lifted a finger. Alright, start by building the flavor bath right in this slow cooker. Pour in 1 cup of pineapple juice, then add half a cup of apple cider vinegar. Now hit it with half a cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Sprinkle in 1 teaspoon ground cloves, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon black pepper. Toss in 4 smashed garlic cloves and a few slices of orange. Whisk it up right there. That smell, that's holiday energy. Now take your fully cooked bone-in ham, 8 to 10 pounds, and if it's got that fat cap on top, score it. Little crisscross diamonds, that's not extra, that's strategy. Those cuts grab the glaze and caramelize like crazy later. Place the ham flat side down in the slow cooker, fat side up. Then spoon some of that liquid over the top like you're tucking it in for a nap. Set your slow cooker to low for 4 to 6 hours. This is set it and forget it Christmas dinner. You're not trying to shred it like pulled pork. You want it heated through, tender and juicy. Holiday ham in a slow cooker is basically the cheat code for a stress-free Christmas dinner. When it's done, carefully lift the ham out. Transfer the ham to a roasting pan or a lined baking sheet. Now strain out 1 cup of that cooking liquid into a saucepan. Add a 1/4 cup brown sugar, 2 tablespoons maple syrup, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, and 1 tablespoon unsalted butter. Bring it to a simmer and cook it for 3 to 5 minutes until it turns glossy and thick enough to coat a spoon. That's your slow cooker ham glaze, and it's about to make this ham look expensive. Now brush that glaze all over the ham. Don't be shy. Get in those scored diamonds. Broil it for 2 to 5 minutes, rotating as needed so it caramelizes evenly. Stay right there and watch it, because sugar burns fast and nobody wants a holiday ham but make it charcoal situation. Slice it thick for the visuals. Drizzle extra glaze over the top so it shines like a Christmas ornament. This is that tender, juicy ham moment people remember. Sweet, tangy, warm spices, and that sticky caramelized finish. It tastes like the holidays. If you enjoyed this slow cooker holiday ham, hit like, subscribe, and share it with the friend who always forgets to bring something to dinner. And for the full written recipe with all the exact steps, pro tips, and glaze details, head over to kelvinskitchen.com.